A beautiful brochure can showcase your purse collection in a premium and elegant way. Start by opening Canva and selecting Create a Design. Search for brochure and browse through the available templates. Choose a layout with large image sections and plenty of room for product information. Upload your purse images using the Uploads tab and replace the sample photos. Try to include multiple angles so customers can clearly see the design and details. Now edit the title with your purse brand or collection name. Add a short introduction describing the style, craftsmanship, and quality of your products. Next, create sections for product features, available colors,